Good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffany and I'm back with another video. Today is Sunday the 5th and I'm off today, so today I'm gonna go ahead and clean my refrigerator and my pantry because yeah, that's something I've been pushing off for the longest. So yeah, I'm about to do that today, so we'll see. Yeah, so I'm just in my bathroom right now, but I'm about to go to the kitchen and get all that stuff ready and get that stuff cleaned out. Okay, so I'll see you in the kitchen. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm in the kitchen right now. So I just have a few dishes in the sink, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up because I want the sink to be clean when I'm taking all the stuff out of the refrigerator and cleaning it. So I don't need anything in the way. So we're gonna go ahead and clean these dishes up that I have in the sink, and then we'll get started. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what my refrigerator looks like now. Don't judge, because I know it's gonna be somebody on here that's gonna say something. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what's going on right now. I really don't have no groceries in there, so that's why I want to go ahead and clean it up before I go grocery shopping. So here you have it. Just a mess. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of all the stuff in here that we don't need. So the next side, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of every single thing in here that's been in here for a minute. Just throw it out. We're gonna start fresh. So let's go ahead and get rid of this stuff, okay? Anyways, guys, I done already took out stuff that I need to take out and I throw them away. Now I just started taking out the parts of the, the shelves, so I can go ahead and clean the rest of the fridge out. I'm gonna take them out one at a time and do it because I don't want to keep the stuff out of the refrigerator for too long. So that's what I'm doing. As you can see, I took out the top one. I'm just gonna go ahead and take all these out so I can go ahead and wipe down and clean out the refrigerator. I'm just gonna keep the eggs and stuff in there for now. Because like I said, I don't know. I'm gonna take all this stuff out and then leave it out, clean it, and then put the stuff back in. That's all. I got everything out. Oh, my voice. This is all the grapes, not grapes, blueberries that fell to the bottom. But yeah, let me go ahead and spray it down and we're going to Hey, get out of here. Go sit down. Gage, what did I just tell you? Get out of here. Anyways, guys, my sink is full. I filled my sink up with some bleach water and stuff so I can go ahead and wash these things out. Now I'm about to just go wipe the fridge and clean it out. I do have some bleach and some other products that I'm going to use to clean it out real quick. But yeah, I have the water in the sink and it has some bleach and some other stuff in there that I'm just going to clean it out and wipe it out with. So let's just... guys, we got dirty looking better in here. Just gotta wipe it down again some more. As you can see, I got that and I got everything on the counter here. It's a mess, but I got all the stuff for the refrigerator. I got this stuff here that I'm about to Go ahead. Y'all, so I'm done. So guys, I'm done cleaning my refrigerator and I'm looking at the pantry like I don't even want to start here. So I'm gonna leave this for tomorrow. Yeah, because I'm about to cook. So I'm gonna leave the pantry for tomorrow. So I'm done cleaning the refrigerator. I just put the stuff back in there that I need, and then this is what's going on. So it's time to go grocery shopping. I need to know something that's gonna clean the outside of the refrigerator. I use this stainless steel thing that I have, but yeah. Comment below, what do you use to clean?